Okay, I'm doing a video of the crazy rain. The pool is overflowing, and the lake is getting very close to the house. I've seen frogs running for their lives. I don't know where the ducks went. My gardens are a little wet. And there's thunder and lightning. I'm standing here with an umbrella, which is probably not smart, but this is crazy, crazy stuff. Let me see if I can push the door open, see what's going on out here. Hold on. Okay. It's not good. The side of the house flooded. And the lake usually has tall grasses growing. That's all you can see now. So now I'm soaked. I guess I'll go back in.